you are going to go for an exam, you always suffer from what would happen. Herein comes that context of Gita, right? Bhagavad Gita, what it says, you just do the work which you are destined to do. Leave the rest, it is the future to decide. Moment you believe me, you understand and take this. I am studying, I am not bothered now what will happen, but yes, I will give my 100%. I will not regret कि मैंने time waste किया. ये regret लेके मत रहना बस, lifetime. Believe me, take my words. Don't take this regret that I wasted 1 year of my fruitful study in this institute when my parents have reposed that much amount of faith and I wasted it. Don't take this regret. Every time in morning when you wake up, you say, I am not going to end my day with a regret कि मैंने time waste किया. Regret like I am not able to do this question, oh my God, time limit has exceeded. These regrets are okay. And this is natural to come up. But don't come up with this regret, oh my God, today also I wasted my time. Second thing, you people say it's very difficult to study so many subjects. So my simple answer to this, last batch also, a girl, actually she was in tears. I actually tried to console her and rest of the class also, saying, let's say this is a deliberate decision which you people have taken from your own choice and your rationality. No one has imposed this to you. So take forward the responsibility of all those things which would be coming in path. UPSC is not an easy cakewalk. It is not an easy thing. Because the end which you are receiving, right, and the job opportunity, responsibility which you are taking when you become a civil servant, that is also not easy. Bhai, pura district chalana, it's not an easy thing. How can you think that the process would be very easy when the end itself is very difficult? What 1% challenges you are suffering in the preparation, more double, triple challenges you would be facing when you are in the field work. How can you accustom your mind immediately once you get selected? फिर उसमें होती हैं issues. I am not able to cope up with the pressure. Therefore, UPSC has made the preparation itself tough, so that during the process only your mind get accustomed to taking so many pressures. ठीक है? So this is your own deliberate. Who was asking? This is your own deliberate decision. Stick to it and continue keeping and taking the challenges forward. Believe me, UPSC journey, kuch de na de, it always transform a person into a better person. Believe me, that patience, that perseverance, that knowledge which you gain, it is going to be beneficial. If not in UPSC, as such, everyone don't qualify and it's perfectly fine. You have your fate and aapka fate kya hai, even you don't know. Where you will land up, even you don't know. I am right now teaching. You never know where you will land up, but your preparation, your knowledge, it counts a lot. ठीक है? So next time no one is coming up saying कि मैम बहुत कुछ पढ़ना पड़ता है, we are not able to study. This is your own decision. Stick to it. Try to take out कि मैं इससे निकलूं कैसे. ठीक है? UPSC में civil servant are problem solver, not troublemaker. So don't be a troublemaker. Be a problem solver. कि समस्या तो है कि I have to read 2 subjects per day. It is up to you how you will come out of it. ठीक है? Okay. Now, so what we were discussing